Powerful Handheld Milk Frother. As a passionate coffee enthusiast, I've had the pleasure of trying out various milk frothers, and the Powerful Handheld Milk Frother truly stands out as a top contender in the market. Here's my comprehensive review. Pros. 1. Exceptional performance. The Powerful Handheld Milk Frother lives up to its name with a remarkable RPM range of 17,000 to 19,000, effortlessly producing dreamy, foamy cream in just seconds. Whether you're crafting a velvety latte, indulging in a rich hot chocolate, or craving a frothy cappuccino, this frother delivers consistent and impressive results every time. 2. Versatility. One of the standout features of this frother is its versatility. It's not limited to frothing milk for coffee beverages. It also works wonders with nut milk, cream, butter, and even protein powder. Additionally, you can use it to beat eggs for scrambled eggs or eggnogs, making it a multifunctional tool for various culinary applications. 3. Instant cleaning. Cleaning couldn't be easier with this milk frother. Simply turn on the machine and hold it under running warm water for a few seconds, and voila! No scrubbing, scouring, or soaking required. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures hassle-free maintenance. 4. Sleek design. With its slender and sleek design, this frother exudes sophistication and elegance. The sturdy metal stand allows the frother to rest independently on a flat surface, while the thin stem design enables frothing in any size container or directly in the mug you'll be drinking from. Its aesthetic appeal makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop. 5. Durable construction. Constructed of ultra-durable materials, this frother is built to last for many years of use. Its robust build ensures longevity and reliability, providing excellent value for your investment. Cons. Battery operated. While the battery-operated design offers portability and convenience, some users may prefer a rechargeable option to avoid the hassle of replacing batteries. However, the frother's power-saving mechanism ensures long battery life, mitigating this concern to some extent. Comparison. Compared to other handheld milk frothers on the market, the Powerful Handheld Milk Frother stands out for its exceptional performance, versatility, and sleek design. While some frothers may offer similar features, few can match the impressive RPM range and instant cleaning capability of this frother. Additionally, its durable construction sets it apart as a long-lasting and reliable kitchen tool. Overall verdict. In conclusion, the Powerful Handheld Milk Frother is a must-have for any coffee lover or culinary enthusiast seeking to elevate their beverage and culinary creations. Its exceptional performance, versatility, instant cleaning feature, sleek design, and durable construction make it a standout choice in the world of milk frothers. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a home chef experimenting with new recipes, this frother is sure to become an invaluable companion in your kitchen.